Hello student, we have to solve this system by using Gauss elimination method. We have to solve this system means that the x1 we get the x1's value, x2 value and x3 value. This three is a linear equation. This linear equation, that means the linear equation, we have to solve this solution. The solution, the matrix represented of a given system of equation, that means by the the matrix the matrix representation of given system of equation, that mean by ax equal to b. This is the this one, x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 4. First equation, x1 minus x2 plus 2x3 equal to 3. Second equation, 2x1 plus 3x2 minus x3 equal to 6 is third equation. This equation we use the ax plus b is a matrix form, that means by this is 1 1 1. This is x1 is coefficient is 1, x2 is coefficient of 1 and x3 is coefficient of 1, that is 1 1 1. Then x1 is coefficient in second row, x1 is coefficient is 1, x2 is coefficient is minus, and the x3 is coefficient is 2. Then third, x1 is coefficient of 2, x2 is coefficient of 3, and minus x1 is coefficient of minus 1. Then we get x1 x2 x3. Then this constant is 4 3 6, 4 3 and 6. This equation we get the ax equal to b, means that is matrix a, x1 x2 x3 is 3 variable and equal to b is 4 3 and 6. Now we reduce matrix a to row echelon form, because this system we find a solution by Gauss elimination method. Gauss elimination method we solve that the row echelon form. The now we reduce matrix A to row echelon form. That means by this matrix is reduced in this matrix is reducing in row echelon form, means 1 first is leading element, then second row is 0 0, then second element in any element, then second row in first is leading element, then is 0, then is any element, and this is called a row echelon form. This is called a row echelon form. That means by this is matrix A to this is matrix A reduces to row echelon form. This is first is one leading element. This matrix A we have to one is leading element, then second is 0, then but second row is not 0, we have to create this 0, then we have to find a row operation. That means by r2 it changes to r2 minus r1, then we get 1, then r1 is not changes and r3 is not changes, then this r1 and r3, this is r1, this is r2 and r3, this r1 and r2 is not changed, but only is r3 is changes, then r1 is same as above matrix 1 1 1 1, and r3 is same as above matrix is a 2. This is only 2 is 3 and minus 1, but changes only in r2 changes, that is mean r2 changes to r2 minus r1. This r2 minus r1, 1 minus 1 is 0, minus 1 1 is minus 2 1, and this variable is not changes x1 x2 and x2, but this is changed, then this is also, this constant is also changed, then 4 is not changing because in first row, and 6 is not change because in third row, but r2 is changed because in r2 changes to r2 minus 1. This is 3 minus 4 is minus 1. This is changing r2 minus r1. Then we have to find echelon, row echelon, no? Echelon. First one is leading, is it is already, and then second in 0, we have to get 0 is also. Then this is 2, but it is 0. We have to create this 2 that replaced by 0. Then second operation is r2 r3, that r3 changes to r3 minus 2 r1 to r1. Then we get 1 1 1 is our, this is first row is not replacing this is first row, it is not replacing, only change in r3 is only change in r3 is second row. 0 minus 2 1 is not changing, only third row, means by this 0 1 is minus 3, only r3 as changes, and x1 x2 x3 as same as this is x1 x2 x3 x1 x2 x3, and 4 and minus 1 is same in first row and second row, but 6 is changes in r3 changes to r1. This is 6 minus 2 into 4 is we get 6 minus 8, it is minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. Then we have to find row echelon form, that means by 1 is leading, then 0 in 0, and it is any element 1, it is any element, but in 0 then right is 1, but it is minus 2. This r2 is replaced by minus 2, otherwise it is r3 is 1. This is, we have to get r2 changes to r1, that means by r2 is changes to r3. Then we get this, we have to get this equation. This is 4 it is a minus 2 minus 3, because we have to echelon form 1 and 0 0 is star 1 1, this is 1, we get this 1 and this 1. Then r3 changes to r3 plus 2 r2, then we get 1, first is not changes, is 0 1 minus 3 0 0 minus 5, this x1 x2 and x3. 4 minus 2 minus 5. This is row echelon form. One star is star in 1 star 0 0 1, but it is minus 5. This minus 5 replaces, this is r3 changes to r3 divided by 5, r1 and r2 is not changes, then we get 1 1 1 0 1 minus 3 0 0, r3 changes, r3 is 0 is 5 is 1. Then x1 x2 x3 is not changes, then we get with 4 minus 2 and 1. This is this equation. This x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 4, x2 minus 3x2 equal to minus 3, and x3 equal to 1. Then we get x3 equal to 1, x2 equal to 1, and x2 equal to 2. Thank you. This is 3.